I never thought that my forever would start back in 2011 in college when you were an irregular student, nasa isang sulok, never kong nakausap at narinig ang boses. While I was busy with schoolworks and officer duties, hindi tayo close, hindi tayo friends. Pero, crush mo pala ako. Ganda ko. I didn't know that God was already writing a story I didn't understand yet. At the time, I had a boyfriend. So life moved on and our story waited. Fast forward to 2021. I had just gone through a heartbreak. Trying to heal, trying to be okay. Out of nowhere, nag-reply ka ng hi to my IG story. After years of silence and zero communication, that one word felt simple, but it carried perfect timing. Buti na lang nireplyan kita. Almost every day we talk. No pressure, no expectations. Until one day, sabi mo kung pwede mo ba akong puntahan sa amin kasi may iaabot ka lang. Anong inabot mo? Lumpiang Shanghai. Sobrang unexpected. Pero dahil sa Shanghai, as someone whose love language is food, sabi ko, Lord, ito na yata. For almost 8 months, you courted me with consistency, respect, and assurance. After 10 years, you didn't rush me. You still waited. You waited while I healed. You waited while I learned how to trust again. On February 18, 2022, I said yes to you. But more than that, I prayed. Sabi ko, Lord, sana ito na. Since I came from toxic relationships, I was used to pain instead of peace. So, nung nagsisimula tayo, question ko lahat. Sabi ko, bakit parang mali? Bakit di tayo nag-aaway? Bakit sobrang at peace ko? I say it in the way you always wait for me. Sa paghatid sundo sa akin, wait matapos sa work, wait magbihis, wait mag-make up, kahit at least 3 hours. Loving me isn't always easy. I know I can be difficult sometimes. Masungit, moody, laging galit. But you choose to love me patiently, even on the days I make it hard. You never rush and you never complain. You just wait, wait, and wait, literal. That's when I understood. This is love. This is safe. This is peace. This is home. In May 2023, we went through the most painful chapter of our story. Losing our baby angel. It broke us in ways we never imagined. But instead of falling apart, we held each other when nothing made sense and we became stronger. On May 18, 2024, you asked me again and I said yes for the second time. And today, February 18, 2026, I stand here saying yes for the third time. With a heart that is sure, peaceful, and full. I know our life together won't always be easy. Hindi araw-araw masaya. There will be challenges, misunderstandings, and hard seasons. But one thing I promise you, I will always choose you. I promise to love you even when it's not convenient and even when it's hard. To be your kakampi in every season. Your safe place, your home. I promise to grow with you, to laugh with you, and wait with you, just as you always have waited for me. And as we move forward, we continue to wait in faith, for our little answered prayer to come back to us. Trusting that God's time and plans are always perfect. Today I give you my third yes and all the yeses for the rest of our lives. I can't wait to build a home with you and spend forever with you. I love you, babe.
Oh,